She's watching the kids, make sure they don't go with the water then. I don't know. The camera loves me.
Or is it that you love the camera? Which is it, Rob?
The camera loves me.
No. What are you doing with my mug? Oh, you're putting it back.
Just used it for the water.
Are you on duty?
No, it's Friday.
It's Yo-Yo.
I know.
So what are you doing in the kitchen?
I'm just cooking.
What are you making us? Just a sneak peek into Mr. Rob's kitchen.
Mommy.
That's rice.
Mommy.
And he already seasoned his
Mommy.
chicken. And it's in the grill.
Mommy.
It's on the grill in the
Mommy.
snow with the babies running in the backyard. We had a lot of snow there today. I'm going to insert a little clip. Oh my word. What's with the dog?
Yeah.
What happened?
My
You what?
bird.
What is that?
My bird.
Her boots.
Oh,
My bird.
your boots are outside
Backyard.
in the backyard?
Yeah.
Who put them out there?
I did.
Why?
Yeah. It's no.
Oh, it had snow on it.
Bedroom.
Were you playing in the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was it fun? Yes.
I'm on my bed.
You want to go back out there?
Yeah.
No, it's too cold. It got colder.
I
No, it's too cold, baby.
need fun.
Mhm.
I need fun.
Yeah, it got a little colder for you. Maybe tomorrow. It's gonna be more snow tomorrow. No. I love a sexy man in the kitchen. Rob, are you gonna ever do what I got my wife for Christmas? Like so I can show it?
Yeah,
You'd
we
have
got
to
Christmas.
edit it. Next year?
Yeah, what you got for Christmas under the tree?
No, I mean like would you do a video of what you got me for Christmas?
Hell no.
I wouldn't peek. Like you could edit it and put it up yourself. Look at that walk. That's the walk that got me intrigued that day I saw him. Do the walk, baby.
I don't know.
Baby, do the walk.
Stop.
You don't want some random subscriber snatching you up? Baby, do the walk.
I got stuck at the walk because Brian came in today. He was like
Another
this.
man?
I was like,
Don't
oh.
let me
He was
find.
like,
I
was
told
like,
you,
what the hell is that?
everybody's intrigued by your walk.
I'm like, why is he?
There is a walk to you, Papa. I find it sexy. I call it the I'm hurt, I'm injured, I'm injured. Come and help me walk. Shushu. Hey, Shushu. Hey, Papa. Hey. Are you an avocado today? He's an avocado. No, not the belly. No. Get up. This is as far as I've gotten with wrapping gifts. I was gonna do different wrapping paper for everybody, but then I realized I don't have enough because I thought I stacked up last year. But what's the matter? Have a seat. Have a seat, please. You don't do that. It's only when I pick up. I'm not doing this. Guys, found this on clearance. I'm gonna insert footage from the other day. What do you need? Use your words. You know I don't like when you whine. Use your words. What do you need? What do you need? Say it. Mommy, I want you. For? No. What do you need mommy for? What do you need from me? Look at me. You want me to pick you up? Okay, I'll pick you up. So, these are the little things I got on clearance. I haven't even taken the tag off. Hi, Jordan. Look at his eyelashes. He got the longest eyelashes ever. Little boy. Oh, what?
This is a damn mint. I won't die.
Oh, the mint.
What is in my farm?
Minnie is over here. She's still representing. Look at her. She's Minnie, yeah. She's representing like. Yeah, she's knee deep in some snow, but she's holding up. She can't stand up all the way, but she representing out there for us. I cleared all that snow off of our steps yesterday all by myself. And they blocked us in. The truck that came and did the snow removal blocked us in. Rob drove my truck to work today and yesterday. So she's all dirty out there. Caught you. What are you doing? I thought you said you weren't gonna bring out that bad boy.
What do you mean? When did I say
Bad
that?
boys don't need to be drinking bad things.
When did I say that?
Because bad boys don't know how to act.
That's why they're bad.
Shut up. He's out for 2 weeks,
Shut
guys.
up.
I don't know what to do with him
Shut
for
up.
2 weeks. You shut up.
Just feed me liquor and smack my
Babe,
butt.
somebody was asking for about a year ago. I forgot her name, but she was asking for us to do a video on how we stay married for so long with all these kids.
Easy. Don't care. It's easy.
Easy answer.
Easy.
Tell them the secret, JJ.
Just say get it now.
Close the pantry.
Oh.
Tell them the secret, bunny boy.
Easy.
Don't be
Stay together.
Don't be looking at my food stamp pantry, okay?
Alright, did.
That's the VPs. The VPs
Oh.
think that we're on food stamps.
Oh.
You're out of my.
That's
But
garbage.
nothing wrong with being on
It's nothing but garbage.
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 Nothing wrong with being on food stamps. If you get food stamps, you get food stamps. What's there to be ashamed of? Can't be ashamed of feeding your family. You know what I mean? If that's where you are in life, that's where you are in life. You know what I mean? Just, what do you got to tell them, Rob? Look in the camera, Papa.
Hmm?
Tell them. Give them a few words of,
Garbage.
what's garbage? Who, babe, look in the camera and tell them why you're so successful in life.
Because I'm on my business and I do me.
There you go, people. I'm going to go ahead and insert the footage from Wednesday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tell them what, Rob?
Mind your business.
There you go, people. Good morning, lovely folks. Another day that I'm going to nowhere. I want to go to Hobby Lobby because their Christmas stuff hit 66%, and usually I get the stuff that I want now and then wait for clearance. So there's one item that I'm looking for in particular, and hopefully they have it. And this person is not merging fast enough for me, but hopefully they have it and I'll be able to snag it at 66%. But if not, that's fine. But I'm gonna go ahead and concentrate on this driving because there's an old person right in front of me and he's going at a really ridiculous low speed for this route, whatever, and there's always a cop up ahead. So anyways, I'll see y'all when I get there. This is all that's left of Christmas. Look at one pathetic of Christmas. All the Christmas stuff is gone. This used to be Christmas. Now it's, I don't know. Christmas is not even here. And they're putting out spring. I do love their new signs. Like, I love that. I just wish it was black. I would have so gotten that. I don't even know the price. I'm not gonna try to figure it out. Oh, I like that. Turn the bad day into a bad day. Wash your worries away. Is that a laundry room sign? That's cute. This is Splendid and Blessed. I like that. It's $23.99. I think I'm gonna get it. I love it. I love the raised lettering. I think that is so cute. $23.99 with 40% off. Not bad. I better get it now. I know where I'm gonna put that. Be our guest. The gathering place. I'm gonna redo my gallery wall in my kitchen. What's the price on that one? I'm definitely gonna redo my gallery wall. I love the signs. I found it. I found it. But they were broken. So she gave me $10 off each. So I paid like $23. They were $79 when they first came out. And I was like, I'm not paying $40 for those. I'm legit not. So when I went back, they weren't there in the spot. Like I showed you guys, they only had one aisle of Christmas left, which is like bummer because I like to go Christmas shopping. Yes, honey. I like to go Christmas decor shopping right after Christmas, the day after Christmas. Put her down. Her dress is up and Jackson's on Zoom. Come on now.
Hey, rice?
Yes, you may have rice.
Yes.
So I made a ton of rice, so we have a lot of rice left over.
I can eat it all.
So there they are. And I got both of them. So the top part of this is broken off and the handle is gone. Stop. Go over there. And then this one, the door is missing. The door is gone. So see how you have this door and it opens up? Where is it? It opens, I promise y'all, unless it's broken. But she gave me $10 off, which brought them down to $69.99 and then 66% off. And I was like, not. At least my trip there was not in vain because I was legit disappointed. But anyways, I'm rambling. It's 4 o'clock. No, it's 4:32. I just finished wrapping 2 people's gift. This is bad. That's only 2 people.
Each one is
4.5 hours later. How in the world did I just manage to wrap for 2 people and I have 6 in total? I don't know. So I'm going by color this year. So that's one person's stuff. That's mine. That's the truck theme is one person. I had a little bit of truck from last year, so I left it. And I still have for this person. No, I haven't put any names on here as yet because I'm gonna keep a little piece of thing with the child's name on it, and on Christmas I will give that child that piece of wrapping paper with their name on it to go find their gift,
Mommy,
and so on and so forth.
Island.
So
I made a whole
I
island.
have to fit 4 more kids on the year.
Oh, you need a bigger tree.
I need a bigger tree? Y'all need to grow up and get out. What did you do?
I made a whole island with the flower.
Okay. So I have to go put my beef stroganoff on and start dinner. Rob gets off at 4:30. That means he's already off. So he should be here at 5 o'clock, and I need to have dinner done by then for us to eat at 6. So let me go cook dinner and then come back and close out this vlog, even though I don't feel like I have a lot of footage.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday.
So today is, it's like, that's a lot of snow. We never get any. Who's that? Oh. Today is Wednesday. It's snowing. And Rob is legit out here growing. He's trying to figure out how to start his snowblower. No. Seriously, why? My hands are freezing. Just getting in from being in the snow. Oh my gosh, I'm itchy. I'm cold because I'm anemic. If y'all don't know, I'm anemic. Like right now, I'm gonna be cold for like 3 days. I'm gonna get copyright, so let me move. I'm gonna go upstairs and put some warm clothes on because this house is cold. I need to put socks on. Oh. But I managed to shovel a lot of the driveway because Rob's snowblower is broken. I don't know why. So I need to put some socks on because my feet is gonna be cold for like 5 days. I had my UGG boots on. They were warm, but I need to get out of this because it's wet. So is it snowing where you guys are? It's snowing here. It's Wednesday, December 16th. It's snowing like all get out.
That's how high the snow is outside.
I need my charger.